What's up, you guys? It's your boy PokaTech, and today we're opening Scarlet and Violet, the newest set of Pokemon. That's our chase card right there. As you can see, so excited for this set. 36 packs of goodness coming your way, you guys. Just look at that artwork. It's magnificent. The three trios, the new one. Me personally, I like the crocodile, like the little flame crocodile. So with this new one, you see silver borders. Survivor as our first one. Let's get it, Houndoom. Cuddle. Ooh, Magikarp. Look at all this new artwork. Reverse Hollow. Oh, very nice. Very nice, you guys. Gotta love it. On to the next pack. Zigzagoon, Krogon, Dedenne. Ooh, fish with attitude on that one. Nestball. Pachirisu, Houndoom. Ooh, with the new starters, higher evolutions. Very nice. So, Metachan, ooh, Nestball followed by the Houndstone. Very nice, very nice. Stacking it up, nothing crazy yet, you guys. But let's see, so we have, ooh, this is a new one. This is the Electric Bird, very cool. Ooh, Reverse Hollow. Oh, followed by the Gyarados. Ooh, very nice. This is the one I wanted. The Gyarados EX. Very cool. The terrestrialized Pokemon, as they say. So we have the Growlithe. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, the rats. Zigzagoon again. Reverse Hollow. Ooh, with the Slowbro. With that little... Love that kind of artwork in the back. And then the energy card. So just tell me what you think. This new set. Do you love the silver? Like the Japanese? Yes? No? Time will tell. See how the community... Oh, by the Iron Thread EX. Very nice. See how the community likes it. See, maybe, if you decide to, grade some of it, how the white holds up. I mean, the silver border. If it get dinked, all that much. We'll see. Magikarp. Very nice. Ooh, by the King Gambit. Is our hollow. Okay, Dedenne. Pinecone. Very nice. Ooh, Reverse Hollow. Oh, another Slowbro. Hits the dust on it, you guys. Let's see. That one low-key looks like a Digimon, ain't gonna lie. Ooh, come on. The Electric Bird, Reverse Hollow, Scatterbug. Oh, and then the tree. Another version of Sudowoodo. Pokemon be, sometimes the artwork be sus, ain't gonna lie to you guys. Ooh, look at this. It's a new one. Lucario coming in. Ooh, Blissey, Reverse Hollow with the Dedenne. Oh, and the gods, the Poke gods are amongst us. So far, 2 major hits out of the sets. Ooh, Drifloon, Torkoal. Ooh, the Vault Firm of that bird. Ooh, with the the Anilla Ape. Ooh. One of the Mankey's big boy follow-up line on that one. So we have B Sharp, Raulu the Goat, the Cujo, another. Oh, this is a pretty cool one. Flaffy, Professor's Research. Nothing crazy on that one, you guys. But on to our next one. We have the Growlithe. That's another cool one. The Growlithe Terrestrialized one. That one looks pretty cool. Ooh, the Trio Worms. The Ape as our Reverse Hollow. Cacnea. Muck, Grimer Reverse. Oh, and then the big fish boy with the little one inside. Heard in the meta that he be putting in work. Big fish with his. That's what he does. He goes into his mouth and then it gives him a power boost, I believe. Okay, so we have Staraptor, Muck. Oh, and then the little lizard on the bike. So we have Powwow, Magneton. Ooh, followed by the starter and then the Graveyard Keeper dude, the Cujo Doc. Waxley. Ooh, let's see, Toxicroak. Ooh, love the hollow. Look at that. Very nice. Holographic to us. Halfway through the box, 2 pulls so far. What you guys think? Maybe something else? Oh, another Graveyard Keeper hits the floor halfway through the pack, you guys. Come on now. Let's see what else we get with the reverse holographic Growlithe, followed by the Mankey and a little Cleffa keys right there. S are rare. Oof. 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 Come on now. Ooh, reverse hollow Fortress. Oh, with the Banana EX. Third hit of the box. Third, what you think? What do you think? Got a few more packs to go. A little bit over the box. Come on now. Cacnea. Oh, the small little cat kid. Oh, Houndoom with the King Gambit as one of the big ones. Magneton, my boy. Quaxel. Ooh, a green. Oh, look what they did to Tentacle. They made him grass. Ooh, indeedy, as are rare of that box. Okay. Alrighty, a Lechonk. Haven't seen that boy. Oh, Heracross. A Chansey, followed by the Halucha as our rare. Hammer. Let's see. Oh, we have the Diglett, but what a Diglett. Oh, the Cujo. And we have, oh, I heard that's one of the boss monsters in the game. Haven't gotten around to play the game yet. Excited to see what that holds. Let's see. King Gambit and one of the legendary big boys. Oh, Tropius looking majestic. Rotom, I haven't seen that one yet. Ooh, another legendary big boy. Lechonk. King Gambit. Oh, the evolution of all the rats. Ooh, the crocodile. I haven't seen the evolved form yet. Well, I think we have. Maybe they get a terrestrialized version. I want the Arcanine. That one looks cool too. Arcanine? Terrestrialized? Oh, the Great Tusk. So, what, that fourth? The fourth hit of the box, you guys? fourth out of a booster box. What y'all think? Is it worth it? Oh, another giant crabby boy. Let's see, Rotom. Ooh, nothing on that one. Just another god of the big boys. So, we have Mankey. Ooh, that's the first one. Haven't seen that one. The double-headed. Heracross by the big dark Mankey. 4 more packs, you guys. 4 more. Followed by the evolution of that one. Can we pull nada on that one? 2 more, you guys. 2 more. Come on. Come on, you guys. Can't we get... Alright, the last one. Oh, no, my bad. 2 more. Sorry. Ooh, Houndoom looking nice. Flappy. Very cool. Very cool, no. Okay, this is the last pack, you guys. Hit that follow, hit that like for more opening. And Pokemon gives us... What is this one? The giant, another tool one? Ramaroom as our holographic. And that concludes today's Scarlet and Violet. You guys, opening all these packs, got vintage coming along the way. We have 4 EX Deoxys packs we will be opening up. Have more LOB vintage packs. If we reach 500 subscribers, we will be opening up our first edition LOB heavy pack that your boy picked up. That's very expensive. Mucho dinero. Yeah, it's been your boy PokaTech. See you in the next one.